Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to remove the password for a Mac user account. So let's get started. First thing first, open the system preferences. Tap on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select system preferences. So after that, you will have to go to the privacy and security option available there. Tap on the privacy and security. Now inside privacy and security, scroll down till you find the option file vault. Tap on it and make sure to turn this off. Without turning this off, you cannot remove the password from your Mac. Make sure to turn this off. Tap on the turn off option available there. You will have to enter your Mac password and enter it and continue with the process. Now once it is turned off, you will have to go to the users and group from the left sidebar and tap on the admin option available in the top. Tap on the eye icon right next to it. After that, you will get to see the change password option available there. Tap on it. Now enter your old password. After you enter your old password, make sure to leave the new password area blank. After you leave the new password area blank and simply tap on the continue process, you can tap on the verify option and continue with the process. This means that anybody can log into your account without using the password. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.